Fellow actor or actress, what causes one person to succeed and get ahead in life and in their acting career, and the other person just kind of feel like they're staying stagnant and they're not moving ahead? There are two reasons. There are two reasons. I'm about to give them to you, okay? Has nothing to do with talent, has nothing to do with potential, has nothing to do with I'm not good enough or I'm not loved. What two things? That's what I'm going to tell you right now. Focus, that's the first thing. Focus. When you focus on something, everything else falls away, at least temporarily. You focus on something. Now, at the same time, the second word, the second step is discipline. Focus and discipline. Those two go together, sort of like brother and sister, sort of like twins. When you are focused, you are disciplined. Some people in this mastermind have taken off and they are starting to get the results, the desired results. 30-day actor challenge, the desired results that they really, really want. Why? Because they applied themselves. Has nothing to do with some mystical universe blessing. Boom. Has to do with focus and discipline. Focus and discipline. You can do the same thing, but you just have to be focused on one thing at one time and disciplined. Boom.